excitement pag nakikita ko yung vlog. But anyway, andito sa ating ngayon, ang dalawang main lead, dalawang bidang lalaking artista ng You're Still the One. Okay, di natin patatagalin kasi sa Sunday. Okay, I'd like to call in first special participation but very, very important ang role niya rito. Mr. Richard Yap! Ayan, Sir Chief, Papa Chen, however you wanna call him. Ayan. Okay. So Chief, pati naman please. Ayan, photo op daw muna po, standing, so they can have your, for their usual postings. Ayan. To your left. Wow, magets ka lang Sir Chief Yung paganan mo Okay, and of course, isa sa mga pinaka-importanting actor of this generation, no doubt. Mr. Dennis Trillo! Wow! Ayan. Ayan, pati ka muna dyan, please.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Salamat at sinamahan niyo kami ngayon para promote ang bagong pelikula namin. Sana po tulungan niyo kami.
Okay, you may sit down then. Ayan. Sige, pag-ibigyan natin sila makakuha ng photos, they waited. Andito na sila kaninang 10:30 ng umaga. Charing lang, joke lang. 10:30. Bakit mas full pack ngayon kaysa kahapon? Kayo talaga.
Alam mo na.
Sunday na Sunday. Okay, so at this point, we'd like to show you the full trailer of You're Still the One. Please watch this.
Their love was strong.
Huwag ka nga nagpapakit dyan. Hindi kita boyfriend. At hindi mo ako syota. Ayoko ng relasyon.
But the timing was wrong.
Mag-i-invest ka ng emosyon. Pagkatapos nun, iiwan ka din naman. Alam mo, napaka-depressing ng paniniwala ko sa lahat.
Kapag ready ka nang magka-boyfriend, ibig mo ko.
Another chance.
Hello? Sino to?
Hindi mo na ako kilala?
Ace?
Another moment.
May girlfriend ka.
Wala.
Are they meant to be?
Ikakasal na ako bukas.
Ang timing eh. Ang timing tayo lagi.
Or still meant to be apart?
Sana ganito na mahalin. Sana mahalin nila ako.
Star Cinema and Regal Entertainment present Dennis Trillo and Maha Salvador with Ellen Adarna and the special participation of Richard Yap.
Just stick with me.
Can they run after the love that passed them by?
Jo, anong ginagawa ko dito?
Hanggang ngayon, manhid ka pa rin ba?
Denise, mahal kita.
To whom will you say, you're still the one? Directed by Chris Martinez, releasing in cinemas nationwide.
Okay, ayan. Ang nakakasawang trailer, bonggang-bongga. To whom kanino mo sasabihin, you're still the one. Okay, so at this point, pawisan na kayo dahil sa dami ng ilaw. I'm sure. Okay, who would like to, we're now open para sa mga questions. So who would like to ask the first question? Sinong gusto? Simulan na natin ito para makapag-ano na tayo. Siguro si, Mami Jo, you wanna ask the first question? Go ahead. Okay, go ahead.
Hi, I'm Mami Jojo Wilson.
Mami?
Ang tanong ko po ay, hello.
Yan, yan.
Ang itatanong ko po siguro as Jojo and Vincent, no? Yung characters. How different is your character here compared to your previous movies na nagawa nila po? Tsaka, the point of view of an actor, kasi parang, very seldom do I hear na lalaki yung point of view when it comes to emotion. Magkukwento ng tungkol sa pag-ibig, sa mga hugot, sa mga closure. Paano kayo mag-share ng inyong point of view dun sa tanong na binabalikan ng ex at mga walang closure?
So the first question is how different yun sa previous. Ang layo-layo ng first role. Ano movie ni Sir G? The all time.
Pero lawyer.
Go ahead.